Will green dust algae harm your fish? Green dust algae itself is not harmful to fish. It is a type of microscopic algae that primarily grows on surfaces like glass, rocks, and decorations in the aquarium. It does not directly pose a threat to the health of your fish. However, excessive growth of green dust algae can have indirect effects on the aquarium ecosystem, which may impact the well-being of your fish. Here are a few potential concerns. Reduced oxygen levels. When green dust algae covers large areas of the aquarium surfaces, it can limit the exchange of gases between the water and the atmosphere. This can potentially lead to reduced oxygen levels in the water, which can stress the fish. Altered water parameters. Green dust algae thrives on excess nutrients, particularly nitrates and phosphates. If the nutrient levels in the water are too high due to the presence of significant algae growth, it can affect the overall water quality. Poor water quality can stress the fish and make them more susceptible to diseases. Competition for resources. Excessive algae growth can compete with live plants for nutrients, light, and carbon dioxide. If the algae outcompetes the plants, it may hinder their growth and affect their ability to provide shelter and oxygen for the fish. Aesthetics and visibility. While not directly harmful to the fish, a heavy infestation of green dust algae can make the aquarium less visually appealing. It can obstruct the view of the fish and make it more difficult to observe their behavior and health. To ensure the well-being of your fish, it's important to control the growth of green dust algae and maintain a balanced aquarium environment. By addressing the underlying causes of algae growth, such as lighting and nutrient levels, and implementing appropriate measures, you can create a healthy and thriving habitat for your fish. Regular maintenance, proper filtration, and balanced feeding practices will help keep algae growth under control and promote a healthier aquatic ecosystem. If you found the video useful, then please subscribe to the channel. I would be very grateful. Bye everyone.